In this video, we are going to learn to use Geogebra to translate an object. If you start here, go to the waffle, go to geometry, sorry about that. From here, we really need to have on our coordinate plane. So we're going over to the settings. We're going to show grid and, show the axes and show the major grid lines. Real important that we have this for our translation within coordinate geometry. So the first thing you need to do is to make a polygon. So I'm going to come down here to polygons, just choose that, and I'm going to make something that's oddly shaped so that, I don't know, later we can see what's going on with that. So I made one that has 4 vertices, and I'm going to translate it. So I've made that. The next thing I want to do is turn on my labels. Now the labels are the value of your points. So I'm going to click on the point. Whoops, I made that. So turn on your move key, click the label, come here, and show the value. Once again, click on the point, come to the AA, show the value. Click on the point, AA, show the value. And this one, click on the point, show the value. It's important that you do this before you translate your object. It's important that you do this before you translate your object. Now, in order to translate in GeoGebra, we need a vector. A vector is an array that tells me in what direction, how far, and at what elevation I want to move my shape. So I'm going to construct come down here with lines and rays and vectors. So in the lines section, we're going to get a vector. Now, the vector, you don't make it attached to the shape. You can, but you don't have to. So I want every point in my polygon to start in some place, and I want it to move to the right that many places, and then I want it to move down 2 places. So that, ladies and gentlemen, whoops. That, all right. There we go. So I want it to move. Whoa. I have to remember to turn things off. Let's delete that. So let me move this like this. I didn't want my vector to go down that far. I just wanted it to go down 2 places there. So I want this shape to go from a point like this over here and down. So here we go. Let's translate this thing here. So I'm going to go to the bottom, transform, translate by vector. When I click this, directions are going to show up. So look for them. So click it, and down here at the bottom, it says translate by vector. So I'm going to let's try that again. It says to select the object and then the vector. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to click my vector, and bam, like magic, the new shape appears. And not only that, because I remembered to turn the labels on, I have the new coordinates of A and A prime. In your assignment, not only do you need to do this, but you need to tell me the coordinates of the pre-image, which is the original, and the coordinates of the image. I'm going to take time, and you should too, to make the 2 shapes a different color. So I'm going to make my pre-image red, and I'll leave my image blue. When I need to add some text, I go down here, hit text, and I can start typing my new, whatever it is I need to type, and say OK, and it's going to show up. If I need to type more into it, I just click into it and I can continue typing. So that's how you translate an object in Geogebra.